Overweight or obese can lead to a range of health problems. Although many different fad diets are available, a balanced lifestyle and nutritious diet are the key to healthful living and better weight control. Carrying excess body weight can increase the risk of serious health problems, including heart disease, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. Crash diets are not a sustainable solution, whatever perks their proponents might claim them to have. To both lose weight safely and sustain that weight loss over time, it is essential to make gradual, permanent, and beneficial lifestyle changes. In this video we brought you 10 tips that definitely is going to help you not only lose weight, but help you not gain weight again. If you are new in our channel, hit that subscribe button and press bell icon for not losing our upcoming contents. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Number 1. Engage in regular physical activity and exercise. Regular exercise is vital for both physical and mental health. Increasing the frequency of physical activity in a disciplined and purposeful way is often crucial for successful weight loss. 1 hour of moderate intensity activity per day, such as brisk walking, is ideal. If 1 hour per day is not possible, you should aim for a minimum of 150 minutes every week. People who are not usually physically active should slowly increase the amount of exercise that they do and gradually increase its intensity. This approach is the most sustainable way to ensure that regular exercise becomes a part of their lifestyle. In the same way that recording meals can psychologically help with weight loss, people may also benefit from keeping track of their physical activity. However, prior medical evaluation may be advisable for some people, including those with diabetes. Anyone who is unsure about safe levels of exercise should speak to a healthcare professional. Number 2. Eliminate liquid calories. It is possible to consume hundreds of calories a day by drinking sugar-sweetened soda, tea, juice, or alcohol. These are known as empty calories because they provide extra energy without offering any nutritional benefits. Unless a person is consuming a smoothie to replace a meal, they should aim to stick to water or unsweetened tea and coffee. Adding a splash of fresh lemon or orange to water can provide flavor. Avoid mistaking dehydration for hunger. An individual can often satisfy feelings of hunger between scheduled meal times with a drink of water. Number 3. Stay positive. Weight loss is a gradual process, and a person may feel discouraged if the pounds do not drop off at quite the rate that they had anticipated. Some days will be harder than others when sticking to a weight loss or maintenance program. A successful weight loss program requires the individual to persevere and not give up when self-change seems too difficult. Some people might need to reset their goals, potentially by adjusting the total number of calories they are aiming to eat, or changing their exercise patterns. The important thing is to keep a positive outlook and be persistent in working toward overcoming the barriers to successful weight loss. Number 4. Don't eat fast food and junk. Everywhere they say that you can't eat any junk food, and I will repeat this too. How many calories do you think are in a burger? 500 calories? And that's without Coca-Cola, fries, and nuggets. Because in these products there is no biological value, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, but only hundreds of extra calories per day, which will lead to body obesity. I recommend giving up such foods if your goal is more important than temporary pleasure, or eating once a month if you are a fast food lover. Don't eat sugar and avoid sweetened drinks. Sucrose is broken down in the body into glucose and fructose. If you eat a lot of sugar, excess fructose enters the liver, and the body converts it into fat. Number 5. Drink water. Drink lots and lots of water. Because drinking water speeds up the body's metabolism by 20%. Your stomach also performs its movements at an optimal level when you are well hydrated. I recommend drinking 1.52 liters of water a day. Number 6. Try the keto diet. Losing weight is the main goal of the keto diet. This works because it forces the body to use its fat stores to speed up metabolism. When the body is deprived of carbohydrates, it enters a state of ketosis. When this happens, blood sugar and insulin levels drop. When the body uses the energy of fat cells, they release a significant amount of water, which leads to significant weight loss. As long as your diet allows you to stay in a calorie deficit, you can enjoy the benefits of the keto diet for weight loss. I would say that this is a great weight loss method and is suitable for everyone. You can start to lose weight by changing the ingredients of your favorite food a little. You may be wondering where you can find Keto Diet meal plan. For your convenience, I've included a link in the video description. Simply click on the link to access this incredible meal plan. Number 7. Sleep. Yes, you deserve it. A rested body will produce the hormone melatonin, which will make your fat melt. Plus, you will be surprised how many calories are burned during sleep. I recommend sleeping 7 to 8 hours a night. Number 8. Eat plenty of fruit and veg. Fruit and veg are low in calories and fat, and high in fiber, 3 essential ingredients for successful weight loss. They also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals. Number 9. Do not ban foods. Do not ban any foods from your weight loss plan, especially the ones you like. Banning foods will only make you crave them more. There's no reason you should not enjoy the occasional treat, as long as you stay within your daily calorie allowance. Number 10. Focus on the first 5% to 10%. Instead of saying, "I need to lose 25 pounds" and overwhelming yourself with what seems like an impossible goal, look for the health benefits that can come from even modest weight loss. Set smaller, achievable targets. Losing only 5% to 10% of your total body weight can greatly improve your health and lower your risk for illnesses such as type 2 diabetes, stroke, cardiovascular disease, and certain types of cancer. These were all the tips for losing your weight fast and organically. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to receive our next video about 10 nutrition tips that will help you lose weight and maintain your body weight. I will see you in my next video.